What's up everyone, it's Jess here from Wise, and today I want to talk to you about how to take notes with Google Docs in the Google Suite. So here I've logged into my Google account and I've actually set up a folder called Math 1000 for a specific subject. I highly recommend organizing it by folders. Yes, Google Drive is very easily searchable, but you still want an organizational system so that you can easily go to a lecture or easily go to a subject. So here I have Math 1000 and I'm going to start by creating a Google Doc. Now, I recommend creating a Google Doc for every single lecture that you have so that you don't misplace them. Once you have your document set up, you can start typing. So in class, whatever the instructor says, make sure to digest it and then summarize it in your own words, because later on when you're looking at your notes, it's going to be that much easier for you to review. All the formatting in Google Docs is pretty similar to any document editor that you've used in the past. You can use bullet notes, you can use list notes, indent, alignment, change colors, and so on. If you're doing a technical subject like math or physics or engineering, you can definitely insert equations into Google Docs directly. And if you have images, for example, you're drawing a diagram or graph in class, or you have one that's online, you can insert your image from here. Now you have your notes. When you're taking notes in class, let's say you're confused about a certain point. You can add a comment so that you know to come back to this. When it comes to formatting your Google Docs, don't forget a really important tool, which is tables. You can create tables to help organize your information and format it accordingly. The cool thing about Google Docs is that if you use their different titles, for example, their headings or subheadings, these will all show up in the document outline that you can pull up on the side. Or you can easily insert a table of contents if this is a report or project that you're doing with your friends, for example. So simply go to Insert, Table of Content, and there you have it. You can refresh so that it updates in real time. Now, don't forget, because this is a digital note-taking system, you can go to Tools, and there's actually a bunch of tools you can use, such as voice typing, adding links, you can do word count, spelling, grammar check, all of that sort of stuff. A really important feature of the Google Docs is that you can share it with your friends or tutors. So quickly go to the Share button, and then you can choose who to share it with. You can also get a shareable link by allowing certain people view access, comment access, edit access, and essentially create collaborative notes or projects with your friends. Google Docs are free as long as you have a Google account, so make sure to check that out if you are testing out different note-taking systems.